If you're looking to manage contractor payments easily and efficiently, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to manage contractor payments in Deel, a software designed to make remote work and international payments a breeze. Stick around to the end, as I'll be revealing a special offer you won't want to miss. Deel is an excellent tool for handling contractor payments across different countries, currencies, and tax regulations. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team, Deel simplifies the payment process, allowing you to focus on your core work without the headache of managing complex international payments. The first thing you'll want to do when managing contractor payments in Deel is to set up an account. Once you sign up, you'll be able to add your contractors by entering their basic details. This includes the country they're in, their currency preferences, and any relevant tax information. The beauty of Deel is that it automatically adapts to local regulations and tax laws, which makes the process much smoother than using traditional payment methods. Once your contractors are added, it's time to set up their payment structure. Deel allows you to create different types of contracts, whether they're fixed price, hourly, or project-based. This flexibility is key, especially when working with a diverse group of contractors. After setting up the contract, Deel provides you with a dashboard where you can track payments, due dates, and any adjustments needed. When it comes to making payments, Deel offers multiple options. You can pay contractors via local bank transfers, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency. The system automatically handles the exchange rate conversions, so you won't have to worry about international currency fluctuations or hidden fees. Just select your payment method, review the payment details, and click Confirm. Deel also offers features that help you stay compliant. It generates tax reports automatically, which makes tax season far less stressful. You can also set up recurring payments for long-term contractors, ensuring they're paid on time every single month. For each contractor, Deel provides a payment history that you can refer back to at any time. This makes it easy to manage budgets and avoid any discrepancies. Now, for those who are wondering about fees, Deel has transparent pricing. You can see exactly how much you're paying for the service with no hidden charges. And speaking of deals, if you sign up through the first link below, you'll get exclusive bonuses, including an extended free trial, so you can test everything out before making a commitment. In addition to payments, Deel makes it incredibly easy to manage contracts and communication with contractors. All your documents are stored securely within the platform, and you can even send messages or reminders to contractors without leaving the system. This all-in-one functionality saves you time and keeps your operations streamlined. To summarize, Deel is the perfect tool for managing contractor payments. It's easy to use, offers multiple payment options, ensures compliance with tax laws, and comes with great support. And don't forget, by signing up through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to test out all of Deel's powerful features. So, whether you're managing one contractor or hundreds, Deel simplifies payments, contracts, and tax filings, making it the ideal solution for businesses of all sizes. Check it out now and make contractor payments easier than ever.